In this video, I'm going to show you how to review tags friends add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Facebook app and then right here tap at menu icon. Then scroll down for a bit and tap on Settings and Privacy and then hit on Settings. Now all you have to do is just tap right here at that magnifying glass icon and here at the search type in profile. It shows you a bunch of different search results and here you have to find profile and tagging and get into it. Now there under reviewing, tap at review tags that people add to your post before the tag appear on Facebook. And right here all you have to do to turn this feature on is just hit right here at that switcher. And from now, if someone add a tag to your post, you will be asked to review it. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.